What's up, you bearded craftsman? Are you trying to make a workshop? Is it making your head hurt and your wallet hurt even worse? I got 5 tips to help you out with that. Uno, have an idea, know what you want to do with your workshop. If you're building just wood, or if you're doing multiple things, have an idea. I would get my pad out, go through Pinterest, and try to get a solid idea. I knew how I wanted it to feel, how I wanted it to look, and how I wanted it to function. It doesn't always work out that way, but you do have a good solid idea instead of running blind, because that will drive you insane. Dose. It's okay. You don't have to build everything in your workshop. I wanted to do French cleat fucking everything in here. Look how many French cleats I got in here. I got negative French cleats. You know what I do have? I got the wall control system. It is so nice. And I do want French cleats, I do. But you gotta build every fucking thing. You gotta build a holder to hold your circular saw. I just want to build cool stuff. I don't want to build a holder for a circular saw. At least not yet. I just want to build fun stuff. I'll get into deeper stuff, but it's okay to go and buy a metal pegboard. Go buy these little organizers for your screwdrivers. Go buy this stuff. It's okay, and it's cheap, and it's less of a headache to figure it out, especially if you're beginning. That stuff helps me out a lot. It gets you building even faster. Tools. Number 3, tools. You don't need to have everything to build everything. You don't need this tool to build this. You figure it out. And especially with money, you know what I do? Every Christmas, everybody's like, what do you want? I'm like, I want a gift card to Harbor Freight this year. And I always get like $200 worth of Harbor Freight gift card. You know what I did? I bought my sander. Because I didn't want to go spend over $100 on a sander when I could use something else I had. I got gift cards for birthdays and stuff. That's what I've been doing. It's like, hey, I want gift cards for this, you know? And it's actually worked out pretty good. And marketplace, source used stuff. You don't have to have brand new stuff. You know how much a brand new Delta table saw is? It's too much. That's how much it is. I got this Home Depot DeWalt job site saw because I do construction. That was $600. I mean, and that's considered like an okay table saw. So it's okay not to have everything at once. You'll build up to it, and eventually you have like fucking awesome tools. Everybody be like, oh my god, how do you get that? And you'll be like, you have no fucking idea. 4, you don't need a giant workspace. I am in a 12 by 20 shed that I spent $6,500 on. I had it delivered here. I didn't build it like all these other people like, oh, we built this thing over the spring break. That sucks. No, I had some Amish guys build this, bring it to my house, set it on the pad I prepared, and boom. It's nothing crazy, but it works out so great. Look, I got motorcycles in here. I got my laser engraver, all that stuff. I got my woodworking. It does everything. I got my loft. I still got space. Look at this. I got space up there. It's nice. I don't have the big tools. I do have to figure out different ways to store stuff. But you get, it's fun. It's like, oh my god, I could do this. Look, I just had an idea for these. I'm going to make all these pull down compartments to hold all my stuff. It's fun, it's creative, and it's not too much. Like, if you have a large space, you will fill it with maybe unnecessary stuff. This is pretty great, especially for starting out. Who wouldn't love more? But 200 square foot of workspace works out perfect for me. 5, if you got an idea, build it. Don't be afraid to build it. I don't know how to do that. Try it out. I try things like 4 times. You know what I do? I grab a piece of wood and I sketch out these knives, these swords and stuff. I just sketch until I feel like that's what I like. And every time I build something again and again, I get so much better at it. I figure out new ways, faster ways. Just don't be afraid and build it. Make it happen, whatever it is. I don't know how to build a motorcycle. You know what I'm doing with that? I'm cutting that thing up, shoving the jigsaw front end and rear end on it. Never done it before. YouTube, trial and error, and there's plenty of people. There's so many resources that you can reach out to right now. So don't be afraid to start. Just do it or you never will, and you'll be mad at yourself. Bonus tip, put your fucking phone down and get to work. Let's go, let's build some stuff. If you found this helpful and you want to see more, like, subscribe. Appreciate it.